Good afternoon, everyone. Today is the 20th of October 2020. Currently on a small break because today is Judging Day. Judging Day for Huawei's Global Apps Up 2020 HMS Innovation Contest. It's been an interesting morning. First up, I received a package from Huawei with the phone I'll be using to judge all the entries and to play with all the apps. Also got a very nice gift from Huawei. Thank you so much. And thank you again, HUAWEI International, for the invitation and the nomination. Probably still got 3 to 4 hours left of judging, but it again has been very interesting. You'll find out all the results soon. This is me signing out. Cheers, bye. Hi everyone, hope you're all well. And yes, so here we are. HUAWEI International's Apps Up 2020 Innovation Contest has ended and the judging is finished. Did you enter? Please comment below and let me know the name of your app and how you thought the process went. And yeah, it'd be great to get your feedback. Next up, I would just like to again thank HUAWEI International for the invitation. It was an honor being one of the judges, and it was great being kind of behind the scenes and seeing how everything went. To my fellow judges, they were all top-notch, an incredible panel. I kind of took a bit of a different approach. I chose not to go to the venue Huawei organized due to COVID, so I dialed in. But the conversation we had in between was still great, and it was a different experience for me. The phone that I was given to judge all these apps, well, firstly, the battery life was amazing. I think by the time I finished judging all the apps, it was still on 30% of battery life, which is pretty good. The apps never crashed, everything ran smoothly. But what would you expect from a Huawei device? So again, just to go over everything, the competition criteria is very simple. Upload your app onto Huawei's app gallery and integrate one of HMS kits in that app that you upload. And the second criteria was the fact that the timeline for the competition was the 30th of June till the 8th of November 2020. For us, the judges, we judged on 4 values. The first one being innovativeness, the second one being the user experience, the third one being social impact, and the last one being business impact. Very simple. It's not my competition, but if it was your competition, would you use other criteria? What would you add? What would you take away? It would be great again to get your feedback. So please comment in the description below, and I'll definitely engage back with you. It's kind of been a bit of time since the judging day finished. I got a chance to reflect back. And yes, everything went so fast. Basically, the schedule was super packed, and there was a lot to absorb and a lot to process on the day. So now that I'm here, I actually decided that I'm going to create some videos for all of you to kind of get some more value and benefit more from the insight that I got through this process. These 3 videos will basically cover how to pitch and present, how to evaluate your IP, and also there will be a technical dive into app development. The links of these videos will be in the description, so please give them a watch and I hope you enjoy them. But before we get to these videos, just want to send out a few general disclaimers that will apply to all the videos that will be released regarding the Apps Up 2020 competition. The first of them is that it's easier to be in my position. Definitely it's easier. And congratulations to everyone that made it to where they got. I hope again that you also benefited from this process. The second disclaimer is that everything that is mentioned in the following videos is my opinion. It's not an opinion from the judges. It's not an opinion from HUAWEI International. And then finally is that I will not be disclosing any results of the AppSec 2020 competition. I will not be discussing anything. I hear that the results will start to be announced at the end of November 2020 and early December 2020. So when you see this video, the results might be out, but I won't be discussing the results. So great, enjoy, and hope you benefit from these videos again. Thank you again, HUAWEI International. See you soon. Cheers.